Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Black Shark 4, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. First of all, go into Tools folder and click on it. Now you need to select Recorder and click on Allow. Then choose this red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it by using the same one. If you want to end your recording and save it, click on the right button over here, name it, and choose OK. Then click on the same right button, to see a list of all your recordings. As you can see, mine is here. If you want to get rid of it, you can always hold it, tap on delete icon at the bottom right corner and choose delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!